Hello! In our last video, we discussed how to delete a worksheet in VBA. Today, we'll explore a specific scenario, deleting the first sheet in a workbook. While we could use the straightforward command sheets1delete, this approach would prompt a confirmation message box requiring user interaction. To avoid this, we can disable the display alerts property before issuing the delete command and then re-enable it immediately afterward. However, there's a potential complication to be aware of. If the workbook contains only a single sheet, attempting to delete it will result in an error. To safeguard against this, we should first check the total number of sheets in the workbook. Only if there is more than one sheet, we proceed with deleting it. This step ensures our code can handle workbooks with varying numbers of sheets without crashing. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.